Gaelic music is one of the oldest living musical traditions. From ancient Celtic bards came songs of heroism, love, and lament. Their voices echoed through stone circles and seaside cliffs, shaping a sound rooted in nature and myth. Traditional instruments give Gaelic music its heartbeat: the Uilleann pipes with their haunting cry, the Celtic harp, once the instrument of kings, the bodhrán, driving rhythms like footsteps on sacred ground. But at the center is Sean-nós, the old-style singing, unaccompanied, ornamented, and deeply personal. Every phrase bends with emotion, as if the land itself is singing. Today, Gaelic music thrives in festivals, pubs, and modern recordings. Young artists blend ancient melodies with contemporary styles, keeping the tradition alive for a new generation. Gaelic music isn't just heard, it's felt, a living echo of a people, their stories, and their enduring spirit.